Good morning, I'm Corporal Roll.
I'm Specialist Ayala.
And we are going to be performing preventative maintenance checks and services on our Joint Light Tactical Vehicle here today. Let's get into it.
Let's go.
So he's going to help me out up front. I'm going to hop in the cab.
So as he's turning it on, he's going to look through the computer and make sure everything turns on properly.
We are here in the cab. We have our battery switches we're going to hit and our power switch here. And then we're going to be able to do a whole bunch of cool stuff with that computer. This is a really smart vehicle, and we can actually raise and lower the suspension depending on the terrain that we're going in, all from this computer right here. So we can go into tie-down mode if we are transporting the vehicle in like a plane or on a trailer or something like that. And then we can go up to operational mode. We can even go into fording mode here for if we're crossing a river of some sort. We can go here into ride height adjust. We can look at all of our different options for how high we want the vehicle to ride off the ground. So it's a pretty powerful system, but it's really user-friendly.
Once everything is set, we will then run through the PMCS checks for the lights and the horn.
All right, first things first, we're going to check our lights, and we're going to go left blinker, and then our right blinker, then we're going to use our hazards. We want to make sure that all those work just to make sure that we're being safe on the road. Next, we're going to check our windshield wipers, and they work. And finally, we're going to end with our horn.
Sounds good.
So that's everything we're going to cover in here. Now that we're done with the inside, we're going to hop on out, close our door here, watch our fingers, and we're going to start our outside inspection.
We are going to walk around and make sure everything is tightened.
We're going to start off with checking the glass. All the glass includes our mirrors and windows and windshield. Then we're going to move on to our tires. We're going to make sure that they work and are all in good working order too, listening for any hissings. Make sure that all the lines are lined up here on our tires. We want to make sure that they are still to the torque specs that we got them at from the factory. Go around and check this other tire. Right, everything's all good.
And that is basically it.
All right, and that wraps up Motor Pool Monday here at 528. Now you'll know what you're doing next time you come down to the motor pool when you join and are able to be all you can be for the United States Army.
See you guys later.